how to recover my Zangi account. Now, as you can see, if you go ahead and open up the Zangi application, you will not have any options on recovering it or coordinating directly to the support tab. So what you want to do is just to preferably open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your phone, and then on the search box, just simply type in Zangi contact. Now you're going to be seeing a bunch of options as well as on the people also ask on the field. So what you want to choose from here is just head directly to contact tab, which will take you directly to zangi.com. In here, you just have to complete all of these necessary forms so that you will be able to get in touch with the Zangi support. Add your name. If you have any company name, then add it there. Email associated with your Zangi account, and then you just have to be specific on the message tab that you would like to recover to your account, and then ask to the reason why you would like to get it recovered, and maybe a slight reason why your account was deleted or any other type of you know uh, reasons why your account was unable to be logged in. And here you just have to choose on these two tabs and complete the small captcha. So that's it. That's the most convenient way on recovering your Zangi account.